Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You open Google Maps now and let it access your device location. This helps narrow results quickly. Once Maps is active, tap the search bar and type Brookhaven. If you mean a specific state, add the state, for example, Brookhaven, Georgia. Make sure to choose the keyboard entry that matches your intent. This avoids results for other places named Brookhaven. After pressing search, scan the results list and map pins to confirm which Brookhaven you want before you proceed to directions. Once done with the initial search, you refine results by scanning map pins and the list that appears. Pins nearest your location show first. If you need a neighborhood versus a city, use the place card labels and photos to confirm. You can also filter for businesses or nearby amenities to verify the right Brookhaven. After confirming, tap the chosen pin to open the place card. That reveals address, transit options, and a quick start button for navigation. Now get directions. Tap directions and pick your travel mode. You'll see ETA, route alternatives, and traffic overlays. Make sure the start location is correct. Use current location or type a different address. Once you pick a route, press start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. If Maps returns a wrong Brookhaven, clear the search and include the state, county, or ZIP code to disambiguate. If pins still misbehave, restart the app or toggle location service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.